Hell yeah, brother. Today we're going to be making Cleetus McFarland's favorite breakfast casserole. I don't know if you caught his podcast a couple weeks ago when he finished the six-pack challenge, but his sister made him an Eggs Benedict Casserole.
Eggs Benedict Casserole, French toast casserole, and chocolate chip banana bread.
Wow, and he devoured like half a casserole dish of this stuff. So I figured, man, it's got to be pretty dang good. We should make it too. And his sister was nice enough to post a recipe on her Instagram, so that's the recipe we're going to be following today. Let's start cracking these eggs here. 18, it's going to take long. I'm going to put them in this bowl, and then we're going to whisk them together. All right, 18 eggs done. Let's get these out of here. Now we need to chop up our ham, so let's get that out of the package. All right, we got all our ham cubed up. One thing I forgot to do, I didn't bring my whisk. I guess we'll use the knife. And I've got to scramble all these eggs or whisk them together. So we'll just go ahead and give them a nice little toss right here. 18 eggs, that's a lot of freedom. That's looking pretty good. Nice and whisked together. All right. Then it says we need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Got this from Publix, baby. Give it a little shake. Open this sucker up. Get out of here. And we're just going to do about half of this. It's 1 cup. Yeah, it's about 1 cup right there. Looking good. Let's get all our ham in here. Get it all incorporated. Get out of here. All right, that's looking good. Got it in there. I'm going to give it a nice little stir. Just get that heavy whipping cream all incorporated. All right, that's looking pretty good. Then we're going to get our shredded Swiss cheese. Let's just take this knife. Cut that sucker right open. Get out of here. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Give that a little mix. Let's get a little bit closer, you guys. I don't know if I can tilt it enough for you guys to see without spilling it everywhere, but it's all nice mixed up, well together. All right, move this out of the way. Get our casserole dish. Pour the whole thing in here. All right. So then, we preheat our oven at 375 degrees. Cook it for about 1 hour. Then, once it's nice and golden brown, we're going to go ahead and take our hollandaise mix. Get that cooked up. Spread it out on top. And then we're going to cook an additional 15 minutes. I'll see you guys once we get it in the oven.
We've got our saucepan here, and it's time to make the hollandaise sauce. This recipe calls for 2 packets of the seasoning. It also calls for 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of milk. And then you want to stir in your 2 packets, and I'm kind of just putting in a little bit at a time, and then give it a nice whisk, and just continue until all that's gone. And we'll do the same thing with the next seasoning packet. Now we're doing this on a lower heat. And then once you get everything incorporated, you want to crank it up, bring it to a boil, and you want to stir that whole time as it's coming up to a boil. And then we're going to go ahead and just spread it on the top of this casserole dish. Dang, brother, I could eat that right now. All right, pop it in the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. When you pull it out, it should be golden brown on top, which it is. And now, it's time to give it that taste test, baby. Man, look at that thing sizzle. All right, so we're sitting down here at the table. Time for that first bite. I love Eggs Benedict. All right, here we go. All right. I mean, it tastes very, very similar to Eggs Benedict. It's really, really good. And I can see if you're cooking for a crowd, hold on, one more, that, this is the way to go. Eggs Benedict isn't the easiest thing to cook, but this casserole was not bad at all, guys. You can definitely do this. I'm going to put a little on an English muffin just to give it the full authentic taste test here. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's the move. Definitely on an English muffin. Well, I tell you what, guys, Cleetus ain't wrong. This is pretty dang good. I hope you guys liked the video. I see that Cleetus is getting into some barbecuing, cooked his first brisket. So congrats, Cleetus, and I'll see you guys in the next one.